Oh, what's up, Sarkaz? How you doing, baby? Well, well, well. And I'm looking a mess. Don't worry about it. Um, I was just telling you how much I really enjoy. I've just been listening to you off and on all day, in between writing papers and doing my online class. Um, just trying to get my education. Seems like I'm always trying to get my education. Really like what you said about stuff about self worth. You hit in, you really hit on a lot of valid points. Because that was something that I haven't asked myself in a long time. And I've just been staying off to myself, doing a lot of self inventory. And being a mother, even though I'm an adult, I still have to watch myself because there's always, I have a daughter and I have a granddaughter and I have a goddaughter. I have nieces. It does not matter who you're in that relationship with. What does matter is that your young people see you, demand your respect, and get it. How to get that respect, how to be a lady first. Like you said, everybody does put that gay forward thing and then everything else behind it. I feel you when you say a whole lot of stuff about um, it's a time and place for everything. And in certain places that it's just not. And you can be as proud as you want to, just let the pride that no one can take from you. You're proud. Just be who you are, just be proud and realize the difference is in your preference. And that's where those differences end and begin. And when you look at it, everything else sort of just would, I mean, it's no big. Oh, excuse me. It's no big, like you said, migration. Ooh, honey, I just need some sleep. But like you said, people have enough against us, especially the black community. And for the life of me, I really wish that the younger black men, and some of them that's too old to know good and well, they don't. Why you gonna wait till you're in late 20s and early 30s to try to bust a sag? You have never bust a sag in your life. Your mom wouldn't even. My mama played it. The ones that do try to bust that sag, I don't know. You gotta pull that up. It's just a lot of things. Maybe I'm just rambling. I'm not thanking God it's Friday. Although I'm thanking God it's Friday because this is His day and He's made it, and I'm gonna always rejoice and be glad in it. And needing to do some deep soul searching. I don't know how I'm gonna send you this video, but I don't know if it should just be, really public. And I don't want to be disrespecting anybody, but if it, I wouldn't want that to, ring a bell or anything on your behalf. I just rambling and just been, going over what things that I've heard you say today. I'm getting ready to have weight loss surgery. And I'm introverted anyway. Most of the time, I'm doing my online class or responding to something I see on YouTube. Um, I'm a mother and I have two grandchildren that I'm staying with. While my house gets some work done on it, and with much prayer, be able to keep it. I don't know. I've been getting treated for depression, so I'll be all right. I don't know. I just thinking about a whole lot of stuff, but I appreciate you listening on Friday. It's still Friday. I always said I'll make it to bed before the next day, especially when I have to be at work at 6 a.m. And I hope I didn't disrespect you by, you know, making references to your um, really nice features. I need to stop that. That gets on my nerves, and I don't know why I do that. I do like everybody else is lick your lips. I don't know why I be making that smacking noise. I don't even want to do it, and consciously always trying to improve something and everything all at once. Well, honey, I'm so tired. I've just been studying, studying, studying because I really so desperately want to be the best psychologist. You know, it can be done. People just need to know what they're capable of and claim it. And I'm saying this because I need to hear that. Believing in yourself. Me believing in myself, I've kind of been lacking in that area. All but the giving up. That's not like my persevering spirit. I don't know, we'll see. When this unfolds, I'll get my weight loss surgery and I'm going to work on my teeth. Yeah, when you have back teeth that's missing and your other teeth will tend to spread out to accommodate, try to fill in the gaps. And I don't have big teeth. I have a big jaw and small teeth. So if anything's missing, it's like all of them gonna spread out, and I'll be looking like, ugh. I just think it's well, one of the reasons I don't smile as often as I need to smile. Well, let me get off this YouTube.